Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize prepaid service plans that bundle free trials for additional services, follow these step-by-step instructions to get comprehensive benefits from your prepaid subscriptions. Step 1. Research prepaid providers across different categories like mobile carriers, payment cards, streaming services, or gaming platforms that include trial benefits for complimentary services. Step 2. Compare the trial bundles offered by different prepaid plans, considering both the base service cost and the value of included free trials to determine the best overall deal. Step 3. Review the fine print to understand how long trial periods last, whether they activate immediately upon purchasing the prepaid plan, and if any additional steps are required to claim them. Step 4. Purchase your selected prepaid plan from an authorized retailer or directly from the provider, keeping all receipts and activation codes provided with your purchase. Step 5. Activate your prepaid service following the provider's instructions, which typically involves creating an account, entering your prepaid code, and confirming your contact information. Step 6. Look for trial activation instructions in your welcome email, on the prepaid card packaging, or within your account dashboard on the provider's website or app. Step 7. Navigate to the trial redemption section and follow the prompts to activate each included trial, which may require creating separate accounts with partner services. Step 8. Track the expiration dates of all included trials and set reminders to decide whether to continue any services before they begin charging you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.